To Louisianians, this is what is commonly known of a delta landscape. But in actuality, this delta condition is rare, and other deltas around the world more commonly look like this: metropolitan. So what makes Louisiana's delta unique is its people and their culture. And even though the buildings and the land are quickly going away, the people aren't. For example, this is Billy Boss, a proud homeowner of a house facing the levee. His neighbor said he sits there often, almost watching the levee like most people watch television. When asked about living near the levee, Mr. Boss said that he never worries about flooding, and that his house has never flooded. People like Billy Boss have no plan to leave this coastal environment. And neither do these people. Corporations like Lumcon and the Army Corps of Engineers exist coastally in order to gather data and change the environment. But what they're doing and how they're doing it remains a mystery to the people inhabiting the landscape. The harsh opacity of coastal research infrastructure only dredges up this tense, mysterious relationship between the people conducting research on the landscape and the people living in it. You're probably familiar with the word dredge, to dig up, gather, or pull out. And in terms of the coast, this has an obvious illustration. But what if we dredged something other than oil or sediment? What if we dredged the marsh for information? Pulled up and out of it facts that help the coastal scientists studying it and the people living near it to share this information. And to do this in the most organic way possible. Instead of cutting through the marsh with abrasive machinery, leaving slits in the land which grow in size over time, what if, just like the trees of the coast disseminate their seeds, researchers could disseminate their data in pods, which don't function like coastal research monitoring systems currently do, but instead float down the marsh, detecting and projecting their data for both the researcher and the marsh natives' consumption. This could be as simple as a system that changes color according to the forecast, the salinity of the water, or really anything that the researchers are looking at. This device would help residents of the coast to feel informed. It would also be an asset to research facilities and their ability to share quick visual representation of data, but also to gain the trust of those living nearby.